Hi, my name is Tony, and I'm one of the developers of the ZiZZO by Mini line of folding bikes. Whether or not you've purchased one or are considering making a purchase, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or you need any help, please reach us at 1-800-346-6360, or you can email us at support@euromini.bike. Thank you. Hi, my name is Tony, and in this short video, I'll talk you through your first pre-ride safety check. Whether or not this is your first time riding the bike or your 100th, it's always recommended that you check your bike prior to riding. First, I'd like to start by saying always remember your ABCs. ABC stands for air in the tires, brakes, and the connectors. These are the quick releases on your bike. ZiZZO bikes come equipped with Schrader valves. These are the common valves that you see on cars and most bikes sold today. You can use any standard floor pump, hand pump, or even a gas station pump to fill your tires. When filling the tires, always check the side wall of the tires for the recommended tire pressure. Checking your brakes. Squeeze one brake lever and try to rock the bike back and forth. Do the wheels move? Do they make any noise? If not, move on to the next one. Squeeze the brake lever, rock the bike back and forth, and see if the wheel moves. Check all the connections on your bike. These are the quick releases found throughout the bike, which allows you to fold and unfold the bike quickly and without any tools. Some models, like the Liberté shown here, have quick releases on the wheels that you should check as well.